Hey, we have got great nicknames. Here's Asshole, Dickhead, Prince Charming, and the Dickhead.
Mikko Mainos. Mikko Mainos.
Mikko, Kovi Mikko.
Yeah.
Kovi Mikko.
And Mykke.
And I am Kivi Nachos.
Kivi Nachos, yes.
Kivi Nachos. Kullervo Cojones.
Yes.
Cojones.
What else?
He's McGag.
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 Yeah.
That's
It's
pretty
named
cool.
after
And also
like Donald Duck.
the Laptopinen.
Laptop.
Laptopinen. Löti.
Löti.
Löpöti löp.
Pötke.
Matti Närvänen.
Yeah, Matti Närvänen. I think we actually call each other every day with
Yes.
so many different names that it's hard to recognize who is talking to whom.
But for some reason, everybody always knows their new nicknames as well.
Yeah.
So there's always a reason.
Sireni.
I'm Mikko. Mikko Sireen. Sireen.
Yeah.